RGB wire is fed back here into the XK controller Zone 2. Zone 1 has the underglow RGBs, and this allows me to do two separate colors. So if you plug the orange into the parking light, as soon as it comes on, it goes to light blue. Turn off the parking light, go back. And if you plug up the yellow to the turn signal, so it overrides the color changing circuit no matter what. Yellow first, then blue. And if you undo the ground, it's very vague. This is all three of these. So that's what it looks like with the ground unplugged. So you gotta at least plug in the black wire. So we'll plug this one into the ground on the parking lot and it should fix it. I've been using the RGB Halos since spring of 2019. So far, it's a good product. I recently got a better headlight in better condition, so I upgraded and moved the RGB Halo into the new headlight assembly. If you're looking to get one of these kits from XKglow, just the kit itself runs $70, but you have to have a controller to change the RGB lights. So it's $160 if you don't have the controller. I suggest getting the underglow kit and then adding the RGB Halo light kit to it. Another cool idea would be use the NeoPixel 24. The only problem I had with it that it was a 66mm, which would not fit flush up against the housing. But if you stand 5 feet away, you can't really tell the difference. But since I already had XKglow integrated on the car, I just stuck with the 70mm XKglow, which fit perfectly.